Yeah, I mean, there was a lot in the wicket initially, and it was doing a lot of the wicket. So when it does a lot of the wicket, it gets very tough to play shots, and we're definitely stuck there, and we couldn't get off to a start, which is generally the case in T20s. I think even when they batted, there was a bit in it for the new ball. Sorry, there's a bit in it for them as well. When we bowl, they were taking their time. They couldn't play shots that easily, and but obviously, we kind of really struggled to get off to starts, and the wicket had a lot more in it when we started playing. There's no doubt about that. Yeah, I mean, definitely the words going around that we would like to get wickets. That's good to play on and good for shot making. Whenever that's happened, I think we have come out tops. And knowing the strength of our batting, I think if we get a good wicket to play on, we can definitely post big scores. When you play Pollard and Dwayne Smith, there are two seamers there as well. So you need that extra spinning option. Otherwise, you wouldn't have any options at all. And if once we got Chris Gayle, there were a lot of right-handers in their lineup, and I'm sure Oja could have played a little better part if it was possible. I think all teams, obviously, one game when you win, it looks okay, and the next game when you lose, you feel you could have made changes, and we're on the same track as well. Definitely there are areas where we can, get better as a team, and these are things that we will be looking at in the next couple of games. Not much of a target as such, but just have a positive intent and try and keep getting the score. We knew people like Dwayne Smith and Pollard were there for us, so it was important that we kept playing at a fair clip and at least get around, close to the 100 run mark by the 15th over, so that we could push from there. And we did it pretty okay, and we were there. And from where we were, I mean, 4 overs, 5 runs to get 135 was 140. In fact, was not a bad effort. But the first 4-5 overs was key for us. We couldn't get many runs there. You got to take your catches. There was one catch there for us, which could have meant a lot to us. As a team, we get that wicket, we get another wicket, then we are on a roll there. So those sort of things really matter in T20. And when a guy like that gets going, even miss hits go out of the park. So it can be tough for a bowler to bowl.